Good morning, Brookfield. I'm Audrey,
I'm Bara.
and these are your daily announcements. Attention, Brookfield writers. Would you be interested in writing the script for next year's school play? We are looking for student submissions. Pop by to see Mr. Bredner in room 110 at lunch this week for more information.
Are you interested in paid full-day military co-op next year? Come to the auditorium presentation today at lunch to learn more.
Student Council will be having their final meeting of the year tomorrow in room 131 at lunch.
Your weekly meetings are: the BSA is meeting in room 205. The Christian Faith Association is meeting in room 204. Have a great day, Brookfield.
Bye, guys.
Good morning, Brookfield. Please rise for the national anthem.